هلا يوتيوب، عسلامة الناس الكل ومرحبا بكم في حلقة جديدة من تك جايد. كانت تقولوا لي 3 سنين التالي اللي انت باش تعمل انترفيو مع حد من شاومي من الصين، نقول لك مستحيل، خاصة انه فيديو باللغة الانجليزية، فوسعوا بالكم هكا باش تلقيو سبتايتلز. اليوم بحثنا مستر كيفن اللي هو مدير شاومي، الايكو سيستم تاع شاومي في منطقة افريقيا، باش نحكيو معها الايكو سيستم والجو هذا الكل. يلا ليتس دو ات. هاو كان نجم نحكي بالانجلي ماخذ راحتي تو برشا فاصل.
تك جايد بودكاست شهري يعاونك تختار التقنيات المناسبة ليك. اضغط على زر الاشتراك وما تنسيش كنجوز باش ما تفوتك حتى حلقة.
How, I mean, this success story of Xiaomi, 10 years, and it's like one of the biggest companies.
This is really interesting because in 2010, our CEO Lei Jun, he was an engineer about software, and he found that a lot of people are thinking their phone sometimes lagging, sometimes it's not so good to use it. So in the beginning, he was thinking about, okay, he should make something operation OS system to be better. So he designed the MIUI and tried to make a lot of people to use it. And in 2011, he realized, yes, not only the software, we can also do something about the hardware and also the ecosystem to make all the people's life better.
Okay, good. So you mentioned the ecosystem. So let's talk about the ecosystem. What is an ecosystem?
Ecosystem actually is really interesting. It's comes from the phone. So in the beginning, Lei Jun our CEO Lei Jun not only for phone, because everyone need to worth to have something cost effective and also friendly to their life. So they set up an ecosystem which comes from the Mi Home app, which Xiaomi developed to use it to I would say control, and so can use it for everything in your life, include you can see TV box and camera and even your scooter by one app, Mi Home app. And this is the really, compare with all the other companies, maybe they always design some product first, but in Xiaomi we think about what is the user want first.
Okay, nice. So one more question is like, what are the future projects that we will see soon in Tunisia?
Well, there will be something interesting. First of all, I think something, for example, like scooter. It's pretty popular in...
I want to try one.
Yeah, you should try one. And it's really fun. I also tried one before. And also something like Mi Band and Xiaomi Watch. We have 2 watch. And also we will launch different kind of TV, include the minimum size about 32 inches. And biggest one would be 75 inches for all the people that use it. Yeah.
Nice. Good. Okay, now we move to... the Mi fan questions, and the first one is like, what makes Xiaomi products unique?
Xiaomi have a core idea is to provide the honest price to all the user, and that is the most important thing in our core. So we are doing one thing is to make the margin of a Xiaomi ourselves is lower than 5% for all the hardware. So which means makes the price be more cost effective, be more friendly to all the users.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, you already answered the 2 other questions. Some of you asked about the Xiaomi TV, the smartwatch.
So in future, of course, in Tunisia, it's one of our important countries in our market. So of course, from this year, you will see a lot of stuff in different kinds of products in ecosystem in Tunisia for sure.
Nice. Thanks for answering all these questions.
Sure.
It was a pleasure. So maybe we're gonna meet another time.
Sure. No
Thanks
problem.
a lot.
Thank you.
اوكي. توا نعطيكم ملخص ونعطيكم حوصله كامله على حاجات ممكن ما حكيناهاش في الريونيون هذيا. وليت نحكي برشا انجلي. يلا ترانزيشن. حبيت نهاية الفيديو نخليها للمستقبل، يعني كنت عارف اني انا باش نجرب تقنية جديدة كيما السكوتر، كيما التليفونات اللي جاية على قريب واللي بتشوفوهم في المستقبل في الفيديوهات متاعنا. ان شاء الله الفيديو كانت مفيدة ليكم، وانا نوعدكم في المستقبل اللي باش تكتشفوا برشا تقنيات جديدة من شاومي. نتقابلوا مرة جاية. باي باي.